Masquera say Zimbabwe, welcome to our channel Zim Confessions and Deep Secrets. Kanakarke kutanka kukuyapa nino channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Kanojungwa garoka subscribe, but don't forget to comment and share this video. Nasi Zimbabwe, tavigirai, nyaburi tone Zim Live ya Buddha. Chara ichiri the first lady Auxillia Mnangagwa, waka flyer kwenda Belarusi. Wachishandisa a Turkey registered Gulfstream 550 TCALG private jet and cost 11,000 per hour. She took a large delegation in a female business executive the car dance group but she travel separately to explore our business opportunities KuBelarus Zimbabwe yakabuda Zim Live on their ex-yando vakatora ivo vachiri first lady Auxillia Mnangagwa is in Belarus flying in this 11,000 per hour Turkey registered Gulfstream 550 TCALG. She took a large delegation of female business executives and a dance group, some traveling separately to explore business opportunities and create synergies. Ndozvabuditswa neZim Live muri Zimbabwe vanhu vakawanda buda chema vachibvunza Nick Mangwana kuti zvakamira sei. Vamwe vachitaura vachiti who is funding matrips iyaya muri Zimbabwe since zvakare who is she representing KuBelarus muri Zimbabwe. Singaziye kuti munoona sei nyaya iyi. One of my political activists Jairos abuda achitaura iye achiti the first lady vakatravel nema sisters avo muri Zimbabwe chinzi nema daughter-in-laws avo kuBelarus abuda achitaura iye achiti Auxillia Mnangagwa is in Belarus accompanied mostly by her sisters and daughters-in-law and others. All this at the expense of the suffering majority. Since the start of this year, Auxillia has been gallivanting around the world at the expense of the poor people of Zimbabwe. Those are Buddha Storo. Na Jairos achichema achiti the first lady is using the taxpayers' money to travel kwaari kuita kuenda Belarus muri Zimbabwe since she was accompanied by her sisters ne daughter-in-laws ake since they are the ones vari kunzi the business people tisingaziye kuti munoona sei nyaya iyi. So pindula yataura pamusoro pe this trip ya Auxillia Mnangagwa muri Zimbabwe. Vabuda achitaura achiti President Emerson Mnangagwa's wife Auxillia lead a large delegation ima female business executives pamwe chete dance group to Belarus. Vakataura vachiti during the visit she held a meeting na president KuBelarus. So according to the Belarusian state-owned publication inonzi Belta, during a meeting the president Belarus expressed his determination to implement agreements ese akarechwa between Belarus and Zimbabwe. Arunzo akabuda the president of Belarus achitaura vachiti I'm very glad that you have come to us when we are celebrating Slavic culture. The International Arts Slaviansky Bazaar in Vybeski, and you have brought a small piece of Zimbabwean culture with you. You know very well our attitude to you, your country and your president. We are ready to offer all kinds of support and services during your stay in Belarus and later on. Vakabuda vachirefer the president of Belarus akabuda achirefer Mnangagwa as his old friend muri Zimbabwe since he's looking forward to his visit. And Rambere vachiti you know that we are looking forward to visit the president of Zimbabwe to Belarus. We will provide him with all possible assistance in his mission. We will try our best to bring all our ideas and plans into fruition. You are well familiar with Belarus. I know that you are accompanied by representatives of the business community of Zimbabwe. It's good that these women, they have a sharp eye. They will take notice of all the best things that Belarus has, including the things that we are ready to jointly implement in Zimbabwe and elsewhere. Please convey to President of Zimbabwe, Emmerson Mnangagwa, my old friend, our best wishes, and tell him about our determination to implement our agreements. We really want to work in your country and do something useful for the people of Zimbabwe. You can count on us. The president of Belarus or Zimbabwe my Auxillia Mnangagwa with the group of my female business executives in Zimbabwe say comment section. The First Lady Vakabuda Vachitaura Iva Vachiti Zimbabwe I appreciate Belarus's support. The Zimbabwean mayor Yakabuda ichi nyoro on the story Vachitaura Vachiti Zimbabwe I really appreciate the support provided by Belarus. First Lady of Zimbabwe, Auxillia Mnangagwa, said as she met with Belarusian President on 10 July, Belta his land. And first of all, Auxillia thanked the Belarusian head of state for the invitation to visit Belarus again, for the opportunity to come to Minsk with a big delegation. We are very happy to be here and we appreciate the warm welcome we have received in Belarus, she said. The Zimbabwean delegation includes representatives of a women's public association under the patronage of the First Lady. Members of this association represent companies working in various economic sectors, including mining, agriculture, banking, information, and tourism. The delegation will meet with the members of the Belarus Women's Union and study the culture potential of Belarus. In turn, Zimbabwe will present a small piece of its culture in Belarus, said Auxillia Mnangagwa. And the First Lady thanked the Belarusian President personally for the support that Belarus provides to the government of Zimbabwe and its leader, Emmerson Mnangagwa. Our country is also under sanctions, which makes your support particularly valuable. One example of such assistance was the transfer of a mobile medical complex equipment with an X-ray machine to Zimbabwe. We got a mobile hospital and it means a lot to us, emphasized Auxillia Mnangagwa. According to her, this mobile clinic has already proved useful in improving public health, especially women's health. Therefore, Zimbabwean people are immensely grateful to the Belarusian side for the assistance. The Zimbabwean mayor on the trip, the First Lady Auxillia Mnangagwa. I see some of my Zimbabweans are nakufara this trip, this trip was funded by the taxpayers' money, and so my Auxillia Mnangagwa vari representa ani kana vachishandisa mari dzema taxpayers kuti vanomiririra nyika. Tingazoti munoona sei nyaya itudziwo zvamuri kufunga pamusoro penyaya iyi mu comment section.